Well, welcome back, everybody. This Bear's Rod Shop. This is the 30th of July, and yesterday we did a short clip on the Jubilee, a couple of Gen 2, Gen 3 Dodge trucks, and today we're back on the Jubilee and waiting on some parts from Mark Munn, the guy that we traded the Jubilee Tractor for, and we're hoping to get them in today. We have some issues with this tractor. Let me see if I can get you down here where you can see and get it in here a little closer. Probably a normal issue with 9-ins. The Jubilee, the NAA tractors. This is a little bit hard to see. Let's do this a little bit closer. All right, this is the backer plate for the brake system, and if you can see that it is cracked out from abuse and neglect, and so we've drilled an apple on each end of the crack already, and we will cut this out, gouge it out, and then I will let me set this back up. No sense boring you with gouging out and cutting into making a V in there. But it's extremely hot out here today. In a few minutes I'm gonna have to go in and cool off. Then I'll set up my TIG welder and save this plate. Now there was some abuse around where the shoes fit. I'll have to TIG weld that, and somebody had taken the shoes, they had wore so bad, and welded up with an arc welder on with stick weld on the end, and caused it to dig into this little nipple right here where it holds the shoes. And but these plates are now getting harder and harder to get. New aftermarket stuff doesn't seem to fit. So on with the Jubilee today, and well, I guess I could straighten the camera up. Anyhow, on with the Jubilee and waiting on the delivery of the axles and the bearings. I've already got, but the axles and the backer plate, had to cut into it and actually cut off the adjuster. It was that far, 10 years of just sitting there rusted. BB blaster, iodine, none of that freed that up, so I ended up having to saw cut it off. We will try to come back maybe later this afternoon. I won't stop the video, because once I set up the TIG welder, it's going to take me some time to TIG that in, and there's numerous guys out there showing tractor repairs, etc. And we try to follow them as well. We're not going to get into the tractors after this is sold. I thought I might want to try to find a few abused tractors again, but it's way too costly. And they're not, a fully restored one around this area of Texas. A nice one was only about $6,000 to $4,500. You could spend $8,500 to have a pristine tractor, then it becomes a keeper. That is just way too much money for the older 8-ins, Jubilees, 600s, 800s. Yeah, I feel. And yeah, it'd be nice to have one for a parade, but with the COVID-19, we have no parades going on. And then you got an investment sitting there doing nothing. This one's going to be, like I said yesterday, for just brush hogging, not plowing. They've got a lot of pecan trees down there to mow around. You got a big, tall, I believe it's a 2040 John Deere with a cab on it. Can't get under them, so it's going to be practical for him. And I've offered to even help him sandblast the sheet metal if he needs it, and then he can have it painted or whatever he wants to do with it. But come back, visit, thumbs up, please, subscribe. Please give us comments. I am not a tractor builder. I'm not a real good Jeep builder, but I do study and I do learn from manuals. And of course, one day when I pass away, I'll be worth a fortune in manuals. Got a whole 2 bookshelves of Mercedes manuals back there. Guys are dying to buy them, but I'm not ready to give them up yet. And 440 Hemi manuals. We built street rods and hot rods all those years. Just don't want to get rid of them. Typical hoarder. All right, thumbs up, subscribe, and everybody stay cool. I sure would be glad when this election gets over with and we have Mr. T in the White House again. God bless us. We got to keep positive on this thing. If not, we're going to be in big trouble. And this is not a political video. I don't get political. All I do is read that good book. And that good book tells us times are coming to close to his return. So, and I'm not real religious. I try to be. So anyhow, read your good book. Times will get better. Come back and visit. See ya.